everybody. I hope that you all are doing well. Today is it's not like really cold outside, but it's a very windy day, and we got possible bad weather coming in later tonight. So the plan is to stay inside the tiny home and stay safe because it is so windy outside and you can just hear the wind whipping around. And it said like the wind gust today is supposed to get up to like 28 miles per hour, but it really feels like or sounds like it's a lot stronger than 28 miles per hour. But I guess that's pretty strong for wind. So today I'm just gonna focus on getting some things done inside of the tiny house, and I'm wanting to like recaulk my tub, so I'm gonna work on that and just do a little light cleaning, just like your maintenance type cleaning, nothing too drastic. So that's what the plan is today. And Buddy's over there napping in his bed. Buddy, what are you doing over there? What are you doing? So he might be mad at me because I had to like clean his eyes and clean his ears today, and he doesn't really enjoy that, so he might be upset with me. But I did give him a treat afterwards because he did really good. And so I guess we'll get started with the chores, and it's just one of those tasks I've been putting off. And I have caulked the tub before, but it's not really looking that great, so I'm trying a different caulk this time and see if that works a little bit better. And I'm not really good at caulking things. I found out the last time I tried it. So we'll see what happens. Maybe it'll turn out good. But first I gotta remove the old caulk and then put the new caulk on. So this is what I'm trying this time. I picked it up at Lowe's. It's a GE 100% Supreme Silicone, and it's for kitchen and bath, and 7 times stronger adhesive, lifetime mold free, 30-minute water ready. And so this is what I'm going to be using today, so hopefully it works out good. And so I got a utility knife, and I thought I'd use that to try to get the old caulk off. So we're going to be headed. What are you doing? We're going to start in the bathroom and remove this old caulk and put on some new. So here's the situation in the bathtub. You can see it's like kind of grimy looking, and so I'm going to be removing the old, and then we're going to put down some new. So I guess I have to get in the tub for this. Trying to get a piece started here. It won't be too hard to get all of this old caulk off. working my way around the tub. So I got this part of the tub. I got this buddy coming here to check things out. So I got this part of the tub done. And so now I'm over here in this section. What a mess. It's a hot mess. So now I'm just like scraping here, trying to get all this junk off the tub, get it all cleaned up so we can add new caulking. So it takes a little bit of elbow grease to get all this off. So I just got this little section here and then the back. I got all the old caulking off, and I got a paper towel and dried around all the edges. And so I think it's ready for caulking now. I just need to clean up the big old hot mess that's in the bathtub. Big old hot mess in the bathtub. So I'm gonna get all of that cleaned up, and then we'll get ready to caulk. Try to keep it all from falling down the drain. That's a big old pile right there. I had some issues getting it going. I don't know if it was like dried in part of it. So we'll just get started here. No, buddy. This is not a how-to video because I don't really know what I'm doing. Got a little piece up there. I know you're supposed to run your finger along the edge like this. I watch other videos and this is what they do. The thing is that it leaks out. It leaks out whenever you're not pushing the plunger. So if you're a plumber, you're probably cringing right now. I apologize for that. Okay. So we got that side done. So now let's work on this side. when the builder put in this part of the tub, they didn't cut this all the way like down close to the tub. So you have this humongous gap. This really huge gap right there. All right, here's the after. I know it's not perfect, but I think it looks a lot better than what it did before. I think so. And this here, I know it looks dirty, but it's like silicone's over this. And I guess that's where the strips were glued in, and you just can't get that clean. Even, I know it looks dirty, I don't like it. I don't like it because it makes the tub look dirty, even when it's not. But I guess the only way to fix this is to like totally take that strip off and that silicone that's over it. And that's just not a project that I want to tackle today. Guess what's back? Lady Asian beetles. I find them a lot of times like dead, laying on the floor and sweeping them up. But yeah, they've been coming in the house. They haven't been like swarming the house like they were the last time they come to spray. But it's still like very aggravating. I don't like bugs in my house. I'm sure you don't either. I'm just going to wipe everything down here with, this is just vinegar. And just clean, do a little touch-up cleaning. Today I'm just really tired. It's Sunday. Today's the 15th, and I'm just really tired today. So I think all I'm gonna do is just finish cleaning up the bathroom here, do some vacuuming, and I need to clean my front door, get that done. And that might be all that I do today. And we got possible storms coming later on. And so we don't know what the night's going to bring. Yesterday, I don't know if you ever watch Ryan Hall, y'all. He's on YouTube, and I watch him, and he keeps us all updated on like the storms, and they have storm trackers that follow the storms, and so I'll have him on later. I think the last time I checked the weather, it's all supposed to like roll in like around 7. But I'll check it here in a little bit and give you an update on what we're looking like. But today I'm just having kind of a tired day, and it's too windy to be outside doing stuff. And whatever you do out there today with all the wind, it's probably just gonna be pointless. You know, if you're out there picking up branches or raking leaves or whatever you're doing, the wind is just gonna undo what you just did. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning up a few chores around the house, and then fix some supper, and then get some rest before I start my work week tomorrow. That's the plan for now. For supper tonight, I'm going to make a pizza, and I found this at Walmart. It's cauliflower, a thin and crispy cauliflower crust, and so it only has, like, for one serving, which is a third of the crust, is 150 calories and 4.5 grams of fat, and then the total carbs is 25, and so no sugars. There's one total sugar, but no added sugars, and so that's pretty good. So I'm going to make Like this is what it looks like. And I tried it yesterday. I ate half and then Mom had half. And so half is like 2 slices of pizza. And I thought it was really good because I like the thin crust. But this is what it looks like. And so I got my oven preheated. And the name of it is cauliflower. Cauliflower, if you're interested. If you like thin and crispy type pizzas, I think you'll really like this because I like the pizza to be more thin and not as much dough. And you just preheat your oven on 425, and then you just add whatever toppings you want. So I'm just gonna keep it simple, and I like on my pizza I like Canadian bacon and black olives. Black olives. Well, I think I'm out of black olives. So we won't have black olives today. I don't see any black olives. Excuse me, buddy. Let's check here. The electricity just went out. It blinked out. Yeah. So we'll just use Canadian bacon, which is like ham. And then I think we'll put some bacon on it. I cooked some bacon earlier today. Get a big spoon. So I just use like Great Value pizza sauce and put that on here. The good thing about having a gas stove is that when you lose electricity, then you don't lose your ability to cook. So this is like a quick, easy meal. Well, it's disappointing I don't have any black olives. I thought I had another one. Just get some mozzarella cheese and sprinkle that on here. And then you got your Canadian bacon here. Put that on here. Then I got regular bacon. Plus, if you like any veggies, like if you like onions, I like bell pepper. That's good on a pizza. That wind is just whipping up. And then get some more cheese. Sprinkle some cheese on here. I have no idea why the electricity blinked. And then I have some Italian herbs and seasoning. And so I'm gonna put some of that on here. And that's all the seasoning that I use. Got it on parchment paper here. Now we're just gonna pop it in the oven for like 15 minutes and supper will be done. Buddy, are you getting hungry? Huh? The pizza's all done, and this is what it looks like. Doesn't it look yummy? So I think this will be a really good supper. I will get it cut up here. I'll show you what it looks like sliced. Oh, you see it has a thin crust, but it'll be crispy. And it smells delicious too. Alright, I think this is where Buddy and I are going to leave you for this video. And if anything unusual happens later on, then I'll break out the camera and we'll film that. But hopefully things will pass us, and right now the storm, let's see, it's 2:40 in the afternoon, and I was just watching Ryan Hall, y'all, and the storm is like in Missouri. There's like a big old line of storms and it's moving this way, and so we'll just keep an eye on the weather. Hopefully all will be well, and just hunker down, hunker in the storm shelter if we have to. Thank goodness we have the storm shelter. Buddy, you want to say goodbye? And Buddy, he had a birthday on the 10th. He turned 8 years old. Yes, you did. You getting older, little boy. Thank you for hanging out with us today. I know we didn't have that much going on, did we? We didn't have, because it's just all windy and stuff outside. So we're just staying in and just getting a few things done around here. Yes, we are. All right, we hope that you all have a great week. And God bless. You be safe. And we will see you on the next one. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Say we'll see you on the next one. Yes, we will. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. We'll see you on the next ones.